Hello. Today we're going to talk about supplement which can help you to grow your hair strong and more fast. And also going to talk about the reason of your losing hair and which products you should use and how to use that. I know you're thinking about who the hell he is, which don't have own hair. Trust me that if you listen to me, you're gonna get benefit. And mine is genetic, and I never try nothing at all on me, no any supplement, no any cosmetic to growth my hair. But I know what I'm talking, and I'm 100% sure I have so many clients for that, and they get benefit on that. And today video is special. Like all company claiming, and everybody think biotin is important, biotin to growth your hair. Yes, biotin is important, but also other stuff which is help biotin, like a support giving to biotin to more fast and more strong growth of your hair. Apart that, also your scalp which is getting inflammation and also not getting proper nutrition, and that is the all cause of your losing hair. Yes, it can be losing hairs many different reasons, like stress is the main thing, which is you can lose your hair. Stress, depression as well, changing hormones, any chemical and drug, wrong cosmetic used on you, like pollution. There are many so stuff. If we think about one reason, even genetic reason can be also that. So we can't find the reason, but we know you're losing your hair and you need to treat that. And why I believe that Natromil, which is made in Spain, this one, and why I believe that, because I don't have some, I have many people which they use and they really get benefit. What is the best thing on that? Best thing is this: they got inside MSM. MSM it's not only for joint pain. People think maybe MSM for joint pain. MSM also helping to product the production of the two protein which is very important, collagen and keratin, which is main part playing for your growth of your hair. They're helping to damage their production of your hair, also the damage of your scalp inflammation, also against helping for that. Apart that, you have alproline, which is also boost your collagen, production of the collagen, and also helping against alopecia. Alopecia which people they lose the hair. You see many time different on your in head or in your anywhere in your hairs. You can lose your hair because of that alopecia. This is also inflammation, and this can be genetic or can be because of wrong things or any information you can get. They are helping to prevent and also healing that. Apart that, you have inside L-lysine. What helping that? This helping to make your circulation of your blood and nutrition proper gut to get to your scalp, which is helping to produce your hair and strong your root. If your blood circulation is more high, your body all moving oxygen, your cell getting better, your body getting proper nutrition this way. So that is the reason when you don't get that stuff, you lose your hair. Apart that, you got L-cysteine, which is helping to increase your hair growth, volume, and also this is antioxidant. So that is important stuff to clean your bad toxins as well. And hair, not only the hair growth, is hair root is very important. Where's your hair sitting? So they are also helping to strongness of your hair growth and more fast your process. Apart that, you got inside selenium, zinc. Zinc is mineral which is very important part playing as well for your hair, damage of your hair, recovering your cell. It's also helping for that. Apart that, you got biotin. Biotin, like everyone know, biotin is vitamin B7, which is playing big part to growth of your hair. It also stimulate of keratin. When you're losing your hair or weak of your hair, so you have definition of missing keratin inside. And many times you clean your hair, and when you wash your hair you see you're losing a lot of hair. Because of that, your root is very weak and your hair is without life. So for that, you need to things. It's also reason because you can use any wrong cosmetic, wrong or very warm water, or I would suggest you don't use hot or warm water on your hair. Plus, try to use mineral water from the bottles, because if you use normal water, this is a lot of inside you have oxided, many inside chemical which also damage your hair. And when you clean your hair, try to don't not with a towel try to make scratch your hair, because this way you're also losing your hair, or any like hair dry or any other machines you use in your hair. If you have already trouble, you making more worse for your hair. So try to use onion shampoo. Castor oil is also very good as well, but the supplement which your body need proper supplement for your hair growth, it's not only for hair, your nails, even your skin quality is coming different. You got also vitamin C inside and vitamin A, and apart that also many other stuffs you got. Vitamin A, this is fatty acid, is helping against inflammation of your scalp, and also helping to growth your hair more smooth and more strongness. And trust me that you try that, let me know after 3 months how you gonna feel after some weeks your hair growing and strongness of your hair. These tablets you need to take one in the morning, one in the evening, two tablets of the day. Use till 3 months, and then let me know how is that, and you're gonna bless me. Trust me that I believe that what I'm talking. Stay safe, you and your family. See you next time. Thank you. And main thing I forgot to tell you about that, they are sugar free, so any diabetes can use that, and without lactose, so you don't need to worry about if you have lactose problem, and also free of gluten. So also that is good stuff inside, so anyone can use that without any thinking, just you can use it. From my side, this is all. Stay safe, you and your family. Thank you.